Hi, boys and girls. Today's lesson is ways to make 4 and 5. Our essential question, how do you add numbers? Write the number that comes after 3. Write the number that comes before 9. Ooh, look at that, comes before 9. So if you are thinking 10, be careful. What number comes before 9? You got it. Circle the greater number. Which one is greater, 4 or 8? I know that 8 is greater than 4 because when I'm counting, 8 comes after 4. How can you use objects to show a way to make 4? Well, I'm going to use some counters, some bears, and I'm going to make 4. So if I have 2 blue bears and 2 yellow bears, that makes 4. I also could use 1 blue bear and 3 yellow bears to make 4. I also could use 0 blue bears and all yellow bears, so 4 yellow bears to make 4. I also could use 4 blue bears and 0 yellow bears to make 4. I could use 3 blue bears and 1 yellow bear to make 4. Let's see if I remembered all the combinations. This one I did 0 blue bears, then I used 1 blue bear, then 2 blue bears, then 3 blue bears, and then 4 blue bears. I know that I used all of the combinations. Use objects to show a way to make 5. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. This time I'm going to do them in order. So I'm going to use blue bears again. And so if I have 5 blue bears and 0 yellow bears, that is 5 bears. Then I'm going to use 4 blue bears and 1 yellow bear. That makes 5 bears. This time I'm going to use 3 blue bears and 2 yellow bears. That makes 5. Then I will do 2 blue bears and 3 yellow bears to make 5. And then I will do 1 blue bear. Oop, I'm going to have to go up here. 1 blue bear and 4 yellow bears to make 5. And finally, I'm going to do 0 blue bears and 5 yellow bears to make 5. That is all the different ways to make 5. So they want us to write an addition number sentence. So I'm going to pick this one to make the sentence for. So I'm going to get my writing tool and I'm going to write 3 plus 2 equals 5. The sum of every single one of these is 5. All right, so we're going to do one more here. So I'm going to say we had 3 s'mores sitting around the fire. And then we had 2 more s'mores sitting by the fire. How many s'mores did we eat all together? So I will write a number sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And here you see it again. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And 1 plus 4 equals 5. So here, we are going to color in, oops, some of the counters. So I'm going to color some of them red. And we're going to leave the rest of them white. So we will have red counters and white counters. And then we will make a number sentence. I will use my black for writing. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And, oh, I can't do the same one for the last two. I gotta color in one more red one. There we go. 4 plus 1 equals 5. There we go. All right, and we are going to watch this video and then you can do your work.
Ways to make 4. There are different ways to make a sum. Here are 2 ways to make 4.
I can add 2 and 2 to make 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. I can add 1 and 3 to make 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4.
Let's find 3 more ways to make 4. We can use workmat 1 and some red and yellow counters. We will put the red and yellow counters in 2 groups to make 4. We can add 1 red counter and 3 yellow counters to make 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We can add 3 red counters and 1 yellow counter to make 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. We can add 2 red counters and 2 yellow counters to make 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. As you can see, there are many ways to make 4.